Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. You can see the 2D drawing with the ISO view. The base dimension here 340, 175, the thickness is 35 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new videos. Select extruded, select here top plane, create one center rectangle, give the dimension 340 and 175 mm. Finish sketch. The thickness of the part is 35 mm. We can drag this upward like this. Okay. Next, in the center of the part there is a circular part. The diameter of the part is 150 and height is 175 minus 35 mm. Select the top surface, sketch, create one center part, diameter is 150, finish sketch, extrude 175 minus 35 mm. Okay. Control 7. Next, there is a two sides rib and also there is a offset is there 7 mm. For that, select here front plane, sketch, give the dimension, this is 7 mm, and also height is there, height not mentioned in this, give the height here 20 mm. Finish sketch, select here rib command, towards downside the thickness of the rib is 24 mm. Okay. Mirror the rib, select here center plane. Okay. Next, there is a center cutout here. Select this surface, sketch. The cutout dimension is 80 by 80 rectangle, square. Finish sketch, extruded cut. Here select up to surface, select this surface. Okay. Next, select this surface again, sketch. You can see there is a one hole, dia 52 mm through hole. You can see in the front view also dotted lines, diameter 52 mm. Finish sketch, extruded cut. Here we can select through hole. Okay. Next there is a 4 corners fillet. The fillet dimension is R40. Next there is a 4 holes on the base. You can see the diameter here, dia 35, pitch is both side 40 by 40. Select hole wizard. Here change the drill size. Okay. So we can go with extruded cut. Select this surface, sketch, create circle. Just stop the mouse here, you will get the point. Select the 4 circles, give the equal constraint. Give the hole diameter here 35 mm. Finish sketch, extruded cut. Here you can give through all or up to next. And also here there is a 1 hole. For that we can select here front plane, sketch, create one circle here, give the dimension. You can see from the base 140, diameter of the circle is 50 mm. Give the vertical alignment. Finish sketch. Select extruded cut here, reverse the direction. Here you can give through hole. Okay. Control 7. So that's it, friends. So you can assign the material here in the steel, and these are all the polishes, and also we can from here also select this part, go to material, edit material. So these are all the type of materials. I will go within the aluminum material. The grade of the material is 5052. Go to edit appearances, edit the color here. Okay. So you can change the machining surfaces colors to identify the machining spots. Remove this entire part first. Select here machining features, select extruded cut, select holes, fillet is not required, select holes and cutout. Assign some different color here. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session. We'll see you in the next session.